Apple has finally announced its event's details that is going to happen on 12th of September, Wonderlust. I know you all are getting excited, so I am. So today let's talk about the Apple's 12th of September leaks and some news that are pretty much confirmed and some are not. The most anticipating phone of the year, iPhone 15 lineup, will be announced, its changes, upgrades, and we'll also discuss some other products announcements, including the new iPhone lineup, iPhone 15 series, which is surprisingly different, along that we can see the traditional Apple's Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2. We can also see many upgrades in iPhone 15, of which some I've discusses in this video up here. And we can also get to see if we look at the teaser or the Apple logo for the event. iPhone 15. Serious leaks. Rumors. The biggest upgrades, in my view, is coming to the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, in which both are coming with a 6.1 and 6.7 screen, and not surprisingly, we are going to see the dynamic island coming for both phones. The surprising fact is that both of these phones are coming below $1,000, which will be the best selling point for Apple considering both phones. Another leak that is coming is related to the body. This time, titanium body is going to come on the back of iPhone 15. Lightning cable will be replaced by USB-C cable, which is now almost universal for all phones. The iPhone 15 Pro models are expected to have slightly larger displays with uniform bezels, titanium frames, and improved cameras, including a new periscope zoom lens. They will also feature the new A17 chip, which promises significant performance improvements. Subscribe for more tech videos.